Whirlpool dryer won't start. Troubleshooting and solutions. Whirlpool dryer won't start. Whirlpool dryer won't start. Whirlpool dryers are a staple in many American households, known for their reliability and efficiency. However, like any appliance, they can sometimes encounter issues. One common problem is when your Whirlpool dryer won't start. This article will guide you through the possible reasons and provide troubleshooting tips and solutions. Common reasons why your Whirlpool dryer won't start. There are several reasons why your Whirlpool dryer might not start. Here are some of the most common. 1. Power issues. The dryer might not be receiving power due to a tripped circuit breaker or a blown fuse. 2. Door switch. If the door switch is defective, the dryer won't start. 3. Start switch. A faulty start switch could also be the culprit. 4. Thermal fuse. A blown thermal fuse can prevent the dryer from starting. 5. Drive motor. If the drive motor is defective, the dryer won't run. Troubleshooting your Whirlpool dryer. Before calling a professional, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to determine why your Whirlpool dryer won't start. 1. Check the power source. Ensure the dryer is properly plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. 2. Inspect the door switch. Use a multimeter to test the door switch for continuity. If it doesn't have continuity, it needs to be replaced. 3. Test the start switch. Use a multimeter to test the start switch. If it doesn't have continuity when activated, replace it. 4. Check the thermal fuse. Use a multimeter to test the thermal fuse for continuity. If it doesn't have continuity, replace it. 5. Inspect the drive motor. Check for signs of wear or damage. If the motor is defective, it needs to be replaced. Replacement parts for Whirlpool dryer won't start. If your Whirlpool dryer won't start, you may need to replace some parts. These can include the door switch, start switch, thermal fuse, or drive motor. These parts are readily available from Whirlpool's official website or authorized service centers. When to call a professional. If you've tried the above troubleshooting steps and your Whirlpool dryer still won't start, it's time to call a professional. Whirlpool has service centers in many provinces across America. You can find the nearest service center by calling the number specified on the company's official website. Conclusion: while it can be frustrating when your Whirlpool dryer won't start, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to identify and possibly fix the problem. If all else fails, don't hesitate to call a professional. Remember, Whirlpool dryers are popular in America for their reliability, and there are numerous service centers ready to assist you. Note, the information provided in this article is collected from the internet and may contain inaccuracies. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, please visit the official Whirlpool website. The site owner is not responsible for any incorrect information or application.